Umesh Choudhury, Managing Director, Titagarh Wagons, Rudro, Managing Director, Lakshmi Tea, Mehul Mohanka, Managing Director, Tega Industries, Harshabandhan Neutiaji, Chairman Ambuja Neutia Group, Mr. Sanjeev Puri, Chairman and Managing Director, ITC, Mr. C.K. Dhanuka, Executive Chairman, Dhansiri Ventures, Sattam Rai Choudhury, Siddharth Birla, Chairman, Expo India, Mr. Sanjay Budhia, Mr. Chaitanya Hori Singhania, Director, JK Group, Proshun Y.K. Modi, Executive Chairman, Great Eastern Energy Corporation Limited, Mr. K.K. Bangur, Chairman, Graphite, Mr. Prosenjit Chatterjee, our favorite actor and leading the West Bengal film industry, international dignitaries, and of course my Home Secretary, my Police Commissioner, my Land Secretary, my Power Secretary, my INC Secretary, my Finance Secretary, all the Principal Secretary, including Ministers Chandrima, Shoshi, Babul Supriya, and others, this Alapon, Dibedi, MSME sector, Rajesh, and so many friends. And the others are sitting in the down also. Thank you so much to everybody. Now, yes, I start from that point. What my friends, especially whoever address the system, today address the business session. Now, somebody mentioned about that some people, they want to defame only Bengal, but they do not know how Bengal totally changed. And now it became a world-class destination. We must remember that. When I see, first after became the Chief Minister, I went to Singapore. And I have seen that the rumor and the gossip was there that Bengal is a lost case and Bengal is not doing anything. They don't have any capacity, nothing. They have lost all the glory. Only they wanted to defame Bengal. From that day, it was a challenge that we will show one day that Bengal will lead the world. And it is not me. I give respect the honorable commitment of the industrialist who lead the industry, captain of the industries. It is not that we are speaking on behalf of the government. It is the industry's leader of the industry, captain of the industry. They are taking part in every time, and this time we will be doing business, BGBS, after the election. But now SIR is also going, so everybody is busy for other work. That's why we are doing this business conclave. Even yesterday there was a big meeting for MSME sector also, where more than 15,000 the industrialists, especially from MSME sector, they have participated. And today also, Bengal now has one of the India's largest logistic hubs. World Bank is partnering with the state on logistics and export growth. I must convey my gratitude to them. because this logistic hub sector, our government have provided the logistic hub, especially as an industry status that glorify the logistic hubs to be the important part of the industry. And that's why attracting global giants like Amazon, Instacart, Flipkart, and others. Eastern India's largest warehousing capacity, 24 lakh tons. You must appreciate one thing, that Bengal is not only, we have our, now it may be more than about 10 to 11 crores people, but what matters? Bengal is a gateway of Southeast Asia, Northeast India, and Eastern India. And especially Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, we are the gateway. Bengal is the gateway of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and other states also. So, various pro-business, innovative policies, tea, tourism, and allied business policies, ethanol production and promotions, prime location, 24/7, the power availability, abundant availability of coal, steel, strong talent pool. Even World Bank is also working with the skill industry, and we have already trained more than 40 lakhs for skilled workers, and about that, 10 lakhs already employed. Others will be employed also, time to time. Our talent pools is very efficient in everywhere. Our workers are our gems. Zero loss of mandates in 14 years. It is a golden history. Large consumer base sector, Bengal. Good standard of living means moderate. It is not high price standard living state. It's a moderate. The commoners can available. The price, the poor people, the underprivileged class, and also the other class. Excellent connectivity, rail, road, waterway, sea, air. And Bengal is very peaceful state. Though sometimes the fake news, what I said, in the name of so-called social media, sometimes they put up some photographs from other state to our state. Because it is not that original. It is fake one. It is some digital or some video groups. They take the money from particular section and they use these fake videos to defame Bengal. But I can challenge, what Bengal can do, nobody can do. You show me one state or one schemes in the world, one part of the world. 95 we have the social schemes for the poor peoples. From born to death. Everybody is having the prize in their own hands, because I don't believe that Notbandi, I believe the cashless price to the people, because if there is a cash to the people, they can invest the money for the business. But you give only restrictions in everywhere. People are scared. even as shop owners. They have to give price to price, the GST. And now state, they don't have own tax, any own tax. GST, it is only one tax in the country. We thought earlier it will be good for state. And it is Amit Mitra who advised me to support it. And now he has to clarify me that why they are cutting up all the money from the GST also. Publicity is going on that for health insurance, all they are doing. But from GST, 20,000 crores is being cut off from my state. What is the answer? What was for GST? It was for, of course, it was for the development, for the economic sustainability, and for the accountability, credibility. But now, it is just like I don't know what to say. You say that. I'm waiting. You say that, please.
Documented fact that Government of India has admitted on the floor of Parliament 2 lakh crores of fraud has happened due to GST. 2 lakh crores.
Only you are saying 2 lakhs, but there may be so many lakhs. You told me whether there is a pain or there is a gain. You have to see if you are a Democrat, means democratic country. If you have faith in citizenship, the citizens, then you have to depend on your people, what they can avail, what they cannot avail. It depends on one small businessman. Every time if you disturb through agencies, how the business will go off? Always, they are afraid, they are scared. Nobody knows in the morning what sun will rise. Whether the sun will rise, or the moon will rise, or the star will rise, or the agency will rise. Nobody knows that. Let the industrialist feel free. Their business, it is their duty to take care. It is not the duty of the government to interfere in every business. We want freedom for the industry also. We want freedom for the working class also. Let them go off. Let them be happy. Let them to maintain a peaceful life. If any opportunity comes, I can assure you that, yes, we will do that. I'm happy that from Sanjeev Goenka to Siddharth Birla to this Harsh Neutia to Mr. Sanjeev Puri to World Bank, KFW, Umesh, this Chaitanya Harsingho and these other groups also, Flipkart and others, so many. They have mentioned so many things. Sanjeev Goenka said that he is going to expand his short pump storage or something. He said for battery storage. And that's why he required land about 600 crores, but 600 acres. But I will request my Chief Secretary, Finance Secretary, and Land Secretary, all are present here, that next cabinet, the paper must come out that 350 acres of land are available already in the Uttarpara, where Umesh Chaudhuri, we have given land for coach industry and the wagon industry. In front of that, 350 acres land already available. That land, please take care so that if they go for business, let them help. Siddharth Birla, thank you so much. You have already commissioned the project. Horji is doing too much multi-type of activities. KFW also, I'm happy I went to Gwalior, Midnapur for Gwalior project, and again you are expanding this. And it is with the German government. It is our pride. Mr. Shaw, the World Bank partners, thank you so much for coming over here and helping us, and especially to work with us with these logistic hubs and the microeconomic industry and the skill industry. Thank you so much. Sanjeev Puri, their headquarters is in Calcutta. They are doing so many things, and they are helping not only the farmers, they are helping the consumers like anything. Even their Sonar Bangla Hotel and the Royal Bengal Hotel, it is very famous. Every foreign tourist, they love to stay there. Horse also is having so many hotels. And Lakshmi Tea Garden also, Oberoi is also going there to set up their hotel also. Because our tea tourism policy, there are so many homestay and the hotels are also coming. And Bengal became second largest tourist destination. It's good for Bengal. So many foreign tourists are coming, and really it is very good. GSW Energy, of course, earlier I was there in the month of April. They have inaugurated one foundation, and again they announced today for 1,600 megawatt power plant, where 16,000 crore will be invested, and more than thousands of people will work there. It's a very good news for us. Yes, I had a plan for bicycle, that we give free cycle to our class 9 students in every government schools. So our requirement is 16 lakhs. We are bringing it from the outside. Instead of bringing out outside, it costs highly, we have to give high price, transport expenditure and all this. So if you can do it, we have so many industrial parks. We have created 200 industrial parks. Their land is already available. We have the land map, land use policy, and land plan also. So there you can set up so that we can avail this opportunity from locally. And also, our Devcha Pachmi is coming. Work already started. There 1 lakh employment will be created, and for power, 100 years, Bengal won't be suffer like load shedding or anything. And now also you have seen earlier, before we came in, 12 to 16 hours, we have to face the load shedding. But now you can get 24/7 the power. Power crisis is over. And for next future generation, 100 years after this Devcha Pachmi, after this Jindal's, the plant JSW, there will be no problem. Even solar power is also coming out. And you'll be happy to know, it is not that I'm saying. I'm quoting the Niti Aayog committee report, Government of India's organization. They said 14.5 years, now 15 years is not. Sometimes I have seen the written 15 years. It is not. 15 years will be completed after May. So now 6 months we have the time in our hands. Now 2 crore employment has been generated and unemployment reduced by 40%. Don't you think it is a pride of each and everybody who are defaming Bengal only for political purpose? Please see that how can we develop? Instead of negativism, always be positive, think positive, speak positive, and sometimes be diligent and be sensible before saying or attacking anybody. Silence is a big strength, and jealousy has no cure. Now, Devcha Pachmi, I have already mentioned. In Purulia, Jangal Sundari, already 72,000 crores will be invested. In the meantime, 27,000 crores have been received 3,000 acres land already been distributed. Deep-sea port is also coming up, 25,000 crores. Kormodiganto, Asia's largest leather complex, we are #1 in India now. 35,000 crore in investment created. I've seen Juneja and others from leather company that 35,000 crores already invested and more than 7.5 lakhs people are working there. They have created the job opportunities. And if you ask me about the IT sector, Bengal is going ahead. 2,800 companies and 2 lakh professionals are working now in IT sector. Thank you, Babul Supriya and Segeti and all. The Bengal Silicon Valley is attracting 35,000 crore in investment and will create over 1 lakh jobs. We are also becoming a semiconductor hub. You see, USA also interested. British also interested. And with the third largest global chip manufacturer, Global Foundries, setting up a facility of Kolkata, we have become semiconductor hub. Manufacturing, cement hub, steel, railway, coaches, wagon, ships, heavy machinery, all are invested and it will be invested more and more and more. It's a game changer. And state has country's largest complex for leather. We are #1, garments, hosiery, foundry, gems and jewelry, and also we are #1 in MSME sector. We have more than 90 lakhs. 900 or 90? 90? 93 lakhs. The small scale units. And you'll be happy to know, even who are doing the innovative work, local work, creativity through MSME. We have set up 15 lakhs, 50,000, the self-help group, and Anandodhara. They are also getting the bank loan. And so we prepared some policy for them also yesterday. The welfare board also we set up. Now, Asansol Durgapur sales gas and oil exploration in Asansol Durgapur region. 22,000 crore investment in the shale gas. And ONGC oil company is also coming in Ashoknagar, Habra. We have already provided the permission for that. MSME, we have 660 MSME clusters. Do you know how many people are working there? 1 crore 30 lakh more than. 1 crore 30 lakh people. And women led MSMEs are highest in India. Now Utkarsh Bangla, it is a skill development department. And we give the skill training so that they should be trained. I have already mentioned that 42 lakh young people are trained, and out of that 10 lakhs are already employed. So if the industry wants any skilled people, that also you can get through Utkarsh Dhara, this Utkarsh Bangla website. You can get whatever you want as per your choice. Tourism UN has awarded Bengal Best Destination of Culture. Bengal has become one of the India's top international tourist destination. Durga Puja became intangible heritage status. Diwali also, congratulations. Real estate business, 45,000 crore in investment last 2 years. Agri-food processing. Second, rice production, we are number 1. And vegetables, we are number 2 in India. Creative economy, also you know that UNESCO announced Durga Puja, Diwali, this intangible cultural heritage. And 29, there will be an invitation from HITCO. We are inaugurating Durga Angan to give respect to UNESCO heritage. It will be big one, just like Jagannath Dham. And that day it will be Shilonyash program. At 4 o'clock, my open invitation to all of you. Also one Mahakal Mandir is also coming for North Bengal, Shiliguri. There also we have got the land. We have already set up the trust. And all the religious place for all caste, all creed, all religions, that we help, and it is coming. And that's why people are interested to see. You know, people are interested to see, কি দেখতে যায় মানুষ? একতা, unity, peace, happiness, সুখে সুখ নিদ্রা, যেটা আমার বন্ধুরা বললেন, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়ালিস্ট বলেছেন, যে হ্যাপি স্লিপ। আমি বলিনি, সুখ নিদ্রা। মনে শান্তি থাকলে ঘুমটা ভালো হয়, মনে শান্তি থাকলে ভালো স্বপ্ন, ভালো ব্রেনে অনেক ইনোভেটিভ আইডিয়া সৃষ্টি করে। আর মনটা যদি খারাপ হয়, পরিবারও ভালো থাকে না, রাজ্যও ভালো থাকে না, সংসারও ভালো থাকে না, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিও ভালো থাকে না, বিজনেসও ভালো থাকে না, দোকানও ভালো থাকে না, শরীরও ভালো থাকে না। মেন্টাল পিস is the main peace in this world. Have that mental peace. I pray to God, Allah, Ma, and everybody, Granth Sahib, that let God give you peace, your family, your industry, all the paribar who are involved with you. Today we have introduced mini cinema policy to revitalize the Bengali film industry. Nowadays, the idea is changing every day. New creativity is coming. New innovativeness is coming. So Prosenjit once, he met us and he gave us some idea that instead of big hall, there should be some small hall. So we have accepted that policy. There you can accommodate so many people. Even cultural unit we have included as an industry, cultural sector. And also, you know this, we are setting up one international information technology, entertainment and cultural park in Rajarhat. Already tender is floated. In 3 phases, more than 1 lakh people can be assembled for cultural program, for their other innovative program. There 1,000 crore will be the investment. So there are so many. Even you'll be happy to know, earlier there was no egg production in Bengal. But now, what is the percentage, Vivek?
Self-reliant and exporting to other states, and today we are producing 1,800.
Say in the mic.
West Bengal today has become the 4th largest egg producer in the country, and today we produce 1,860 crores annually.
And also we supply 12 states also. Sometimes the price 1-2 rupees vary because the feed we purchased from the central government agencies. There we have to be self-sufficient. so that every year they are increasing the price and people are facing, because some people are, these days everybody is busy, na? They cannot remember in every matters. Small thing matters. And it affects the society. So if you increase the feed price every year, how the farmers will tolerate that? Our Bengal dairy, one of the big and good dairy, I must tell you, is very good. 23 districts we are setting up the shopping mall. 10 districts already today inaugurated. It is the businessman who will do it. Whatever they want, the commercial purpose. Only our condition, we are giving land just free of cost, 1 acre of land in the district headquarters. The businessman will set up the shopping malls. Only I want 2 floors for self-help group. They can sell their own products from MSME sector so that they will be self-reliant. For that reason, 10 already opened, already finalized, and another 13, I request the businessman also, industry also. Why don't you take one? Land is already identified, no money is involved, and commercially you can utilize whatever you can do. Nobody told you, don't do the cinema hall. Nobody told you, don't do the community center. Nobody told you, don't do the big shops. You do it. Only you have to give 2 floors to us. Other floor you take. From car parking to everywhere, you can use it. Now all the district already, we have invested, we have already inaugurated so many programs. Even social sector, we are number 1. I'm happy that we have so many social schemes. May I say at least some schemes? You know everybody. Lakshmi Bhandar, first we started. And it continues. It is not that at the time of election 10,000 crores. If you count 5 years, it is 60,000 crores. And for SC, ST, 70,000 crores. Now Shastha Sati. Every family we give 5 lakhs rupees. And for government employees, cashless flow. It is only state we have the pension scheme. We have the pay commission. Even instead of that, though we are not, it is not mandatory, but we give 8% DA also every year. But 1,97,000 crores of money is spending. And we have already, we are facing the interest loan. And now we have already submitted more than 6 lakh crores. Instead of our financial crunch by the GOI, I'm sorry to say, because the thing is the correct thing, I must tell you. You must know it. 100 days work? No. 4 years, we were number 1. Awas Yojana? No. Means body. Rural roads? No. Drinking water? No. Universal education? No. There are so many no you can get. But yes, we have Lakshmi Bhandar. We have for, you know, why primary level there is no dropout rate. We give Kanyasri. We give midday meal. We give free clothes. We give free books. We give free school bags. We have so many scholarships. Konyasri for all the girl child, Shikkasri for all the girl child belongs to SC/ST, minorities, Oikosri, OBC, Medhasri, Swami Vivekananda Merits Cum Scholarship, and also we have the 10 lakhs rupees, the smart card, who are going to abroad for their education, for their study. What is not there? We give Kishans, the farmers, 10,000 rupees every year. We give full insurance, crop insurance fees from our government side. If there is a disaster, it is a government responsibility to take care. Instead of that, 1,89,000 roads are being built up. More than 1 crore house we have already handed over. Maybe more than 80 lakhs. Another we are giving 16 lakhs, the rupees, in the month of first week of January. Urban department also doing some body housing. Now minority department is also doing from their own for poor women. SC/ST department is also doing from their own. So if you include together, then it will be more than 1 crore, few lakhs. Like this, we have started Karmosri project. Now Gandhiji name is not there. I am really sorry. I am feeling same. Father of the nation, Narega program in the name of Gandhiji. Now the bill came, Gandhiji's name won't be there. I cannot blame anybody except me because I belong to this country. I am feeling same. Because we are forgetting even Father of the nation. So we have started this scheme, Karmosri. This scheme's name will be changed, Mahatmaji schemes. There also we give 75 days to 100 days job. We have created so many mandates. We are not the beggars. We only want respect, nothing else. If you don't give respect to Mahatma Ji, we will give respect. We know how to give respect to Mahatma Ji, Netaji, Rabindranath, Nazrul, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bal Pal, Rajendra Prasad. In everywhere, we love every community people, every freedom fighters. I don't know why somebody only blame the Bengal sometimes. Not sometimes, always. Because they're jealous. Why jealous? You cannot imagine. Once Calcutta was the capital of India before independence. But British Raj withdraw that capital from Calcutta to Delhi because they were afraid of Bengal. They could not manage the Bengalis, the Bangla. Means all the community caste, whoever is staying here, they are more than Bengalis. And now also, same thing is repeating. It is not that history repeats itself. History repeats itself in bright future. If you see the dream, if you have the dream, we do not know what will happen in the future. Maybe another history will be repeated. Bengal will run the government from Bengal and also work for the people. Let us believe so. Let us have a dream. Let us see the dream for everyone. শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কি বলেছিলেন? শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কি বলেছিলেন? ধর্ম মিন্স ধারণ। ধারণ মিন্স পবিত্রতা। Pavitrata means manavata. Manavata means no jealousy. No, you don't deserve, we don't deserve each other. No negativity, no jealousy, no viddesh, no discrimination. Peaceful, happy life together. What Ramakrishna Paramahansa said same thing. Swamiji also, Gandhiji also, Netaji also, Tagore also, Baba Sahib Ambedkar also, Birsa Munda also, Guru Nanak also. Then we will believe to whom? These freedom fighters or leaders of the nation, fathers of the nation, or we believe only a fake news? I want long life for Prime Minister. But I am sorry to say, please don't do anything wrong which may give you the backlash, or what we say that, befitting reply for future. Please remember, if we are one, our country is strong. Please remember, if our country is divided, we are divided. Division is not the solution. Solution is the peace, harmony, fraternity, friendship, and humanity. With this word, I think our business conclave, it is not we, the government, should take the credit. Credit must go to my industry friends. They have organized this, and every year they used to spend lots of time, even the consulate, sometimes ambassadors, sometimes the foreign countries, the dignitaries. You have seen British, from British also, some business community came and said that Bengal is the business destination. We are grateful. We convey our regards to them also. We convey our regards to World Bank, to ADB, to UNESCO, to United Nations, to each and every country. Let Bengals go ahead with a dream that we can show the way. It is not the war. We love peace. We love peace. We love peace. We love humanity. We love humanity. We will love humanity. And this is only our humble regards, humble respect, and our humble prayer for all of you. Wish you a very, very happy Christmas and very, very happy New Year to all of you.
বাংলার আওয়াজ, বাঙালির আবেগ, জি 24 ঘন্টা।